Hello there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to draw a gnome with a cute little turkey? Well, let's get started. And these are the colors that I will be using. Okay, so we're going to start off by drawing the hat. So we're just going to draw one line up, we're going to curve it, and then we're going to bring it down. We're going to sort of make it like a floppy hat, and we'll join it that way. Okay, so now we're going to draw the nose, and it's going to be an oval shape. Okay, and then the beard, we're going to just draw just one squiggly line and then bring it back up. Little point here and join it. Okay, and we're going to draw the little body. So one line on the side, bring it over, and then another line on the top. Okay, so let's draw the little hands. So we're gonna just draw just 3 little curved lines, and we'll do the same here. Okay, so you can make it look like he's holding a heart. There we go. Okay, and then the feet, we'll just draw curved line. So I'm using my thin Sharpie here. There we go. Okay, and the beard, I'll just add little lines. Okay, and the hat, just 2 lines down and then 2 lines across, just like that. Okay, so I'm gonna make it look like there's a little bit of grass, so just little zigzag lines and then across. And I'm gonna draw a little turkey. So a curved shape, just like it looks like a bowling pin. And then little feathers just around. So just random curved shapes, like oval shapes for the feathers, and then the eyes, 2 circles, a little beak. Okay, just draw little lines here over a tiny turkey. The little feet. Okay, you could also draw a little mushroom. So 2 lines down and then a curved shape, sort of like a dome. And you can add little circles here. So there's one mushroom. Draw another little mushroom here. Little grass. And we'll draw another mushroom on this side. Okay. And one more here. Now, if you like, for Thanksgiving, you can turn this into a nice little card and give it to a loved one. Okay. All right, so I'm going to color in our cute little gnome, and you can use whatever colors you like. I'm going to use blue here. So gnomes are mythological earth spirits. They're small humanoid creatures who like underground, and they're guardians of nature, treasure, and crops. And they're depicted as small, okay? They have beards, long beards, just like what we drew, and red pointy hats. So I'm gonna color the hat red. So they make popular lawn ornaments. Sometimes I like to, when I go for a walk, I notice some of the neighbors, they like to display the gnomes around the lawn. So it's sort of like a little good luck charm. They are known to eat vegetables, nuts, seeds, and mushrooms. That's why I drew the little mushrooms. Okay, so the beard I'm gonna leave white. The nose, I'm gonna color it a little pale pink here. And for a turkey, just color it brown. You can use little fall colors here as well. So we have the orange, the red, brown, yellow. Okay. And then I'll just color this. And for our little mushrooms, I'll just use gray around it. Maybe a little bit of yellow around the mushrooms here. Okay, and for our grass, I'm just going to quickly go around it. Here's one other little mushroom. Okay, so before I go, I do have a cute little joke. What's a gnome's favorite song? Gnome worry, be happy, and always be happy, so don't worry. Always be positive. Okay, I'm just going to draw the color in the shoes. I think I'll just use black here. Okay, my friends, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Until next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. Don't worry. Be happy.